Clear your mind. Natural tips to boost memory. Hey guys, Dr. Mike here. Did you know that nearly 40% of people over 65 experience some form of memory decline? And you know what? It's becoming increasingly common in younger age groups too. If you're struggling with mental fog or forgetfulness, you're not alone. It happens to all of us. In fact, I used to be terrible at remembering things, names, dates, you name it. I even forgot my own wedding anniversary once. And let me tell you, that did not go down well. But here's the good news. There are natural, effective tips and tricks that can help you clear up those mental lapses and sharpen your mind. We're not talking about any crazy medications or brain surgery here, just simple lifestyle changes that can make a world of difference. Feeling foggy or forgetful? Don't sweat it. Stay tuned because in this video I'm going to share my best science-backed tips to help you boost your memory and mental clarity. We'll dive into everything from the best foods to fuel your brain, to simple exercises that can help improve your memory and focus. Whether you're a student trying to ace those exams, a professional juggling a million things at once, or just someone who wants to feel sharper and more mentally agile, this video is for you. So hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Nutrition for brain health. Feed your memory. All right, let's kick things off with the foundation of a healthy brain nutrition. You've probably heard the saying, you are what you eat. And let me tell you, when it comes to your brain, it couldn't be more true. The food you consume directly impacts your brain's ability to function at its best, including its memory power. So what does a brain-boosting diet look like? Well, it's all about packing your plate with nutrient-rich foods that support cognitive function. First up, we've got antioxidants. These powerful compounds fight off those nasty free radicals that can damage brain cells. Think of antioxidants like little superheroes protecting your brain from damage. Where can you find these superheroes? Load up on colorful fruits and veggies like berries, leafy greens, and even dark chocolate. Yes, chocolate can be good for your brain in moderation. Next, we've got omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are crucial for brain health, especially when it comes to memory and learning. Think of omega-3s as the building blocks for a healthy brain. You can find them in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, as well as walnuts and flax seeds. Aim to include these brain-boosting fats in your diet at least twice a week. And last but not least, don't forget about B vitamins, especially B12 and folate. These vitamins are essential for cell growth and repair, and they play a vital role in cognitive function and mood regulation. You can find B vitamins in leafy green vegetables, legumes, eggs, and fortified cereals. Get moving. Exercise your way to a sharper mind. Now let's talk about another powerful tool for boosting your brain power: exercise. And no, I'm not talking about mental gymnastics here, although those are good too. I'm talking about getting your body moving. You see, exercise isn't just about building muscles and burning calories. It's like a turbocharge for your brain. When you exercise, you increase blood flow to your brain, which delivers a fresh supply of oxygen and nutrients to those brain cells. It's like giving your brain a refreshing energy drink. But the benefits of exercise go even deeper. Studies have shown that regular aerobic exercise, think brisk walking, jogging, cycling, swimming, or even dancing, can actually stimulate the growth of new brain cells, especially in the hippocampus, which is the area of the brain responsible for memory and learning. That's right, exercise can actually help your brain grow. And it's not just about creating new brain cells. Exercise also helps strengthen the connections between those cells, which is essential for memory consolidation and recall. So the next time you're feeling mentally sluggish, skip the coffee and go for a walk or hit the gym. Your brain will thank you for it. Find your Zen mindfulness and meditation for mental clarity. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to feel like our minds are constantly racing, bombarded with information, notifications, and to-do lists. This constant mental chatter can lead to stress, anxiety, and, you guessed it, brain fog. That's where mindfulness and meditation come in. Mindfulness is all about being present at the moment, paying attention to your thoughts and feelings without judgment. It's about hitting the pause button on that mental noise and finding a sense of calm and clarity. And one of the most effective ways to cultivate mindfulness is through meditation. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Meditation? That's not for me. I can't sit still for 5 minutes, let alone 30. But here's the thing. Meditation isn't about emptying your mind completely or becoming some kind of Zen master. It's simply about training your mind to focus and redirecting your attention to the present moment. And the best part is, it doesn't take much to reap the benefits. Even just 10 to 15 minutes of meditation a day has been shown to improve memory, focus, and cognitive flexibility. It's like giving your brain a mini vacation from the constant hustle and bustle of daily life. Chapter 4. Challenge yourself, brain-boosting activities for a sharper mind. Just like our muscles need regular exercise to stay strong and healthy, our brains thrive on mental stimulation. That's why it's so important to challenge your brain with new and engaging activities. Think of it like this: if you were to lift the same weight every day at the gym, your muscles would eventually plateau. The same goes for your brain. It needs variety and challenge to stay sharp. So how can you give your brain a mental workout? Well, the possibilities are endless. Engage in activities that require problem-solving, critical thinking, and memory recall. Puzzles are a great option. Crosswords, Sudoku, jigsaw puzzles, you name it. They're like a mental gym for your brain. Reading is another fantastic way to challenge your brain. It's not just about passively absorbing information, it's about engaging with the material, making connections, and expanding your vocabulary. And don't be afraid to step outside of your comfort zone and explore different genres. Learning a new skill or language is another excellent way to stimulate your brain. It forces you to think in new ways, make new connections, and expand your cognitive horizons. Plus, it's a lot of fun. Chapter 5. The importance of sleep. Recharge your brain for optimal performance. All right, let's talk about something we all love, but often don't get enough of. Sleep, I know, in our busy lives. Sleep can sometimes feel like a luxury. But here's the thing, sleep isn't just about resting your body. It's absolutely crucial for your brain to function at its best, especially when it comes to memory. Think of your brain like a smartphone. After a long day of use, your phone's battery starts to drain and it doesn't work as efficiently. Well, the same goes for your brain. Throughout the day, your brain is constantly working, processing information, making decisions, and forming memories. And just like your phone needs to be plugged in to recharge, your brain needs sleep to consolidate those memories and prepare for a new day. During sleep, your brain goes through a process called memory consolidation, where it takes all the information it's encountered during the day and transfers it from short-term to long-term memory. It's like hitting the save button on your brain's hard drive. Without enough sleep, this process is disrupted and it becomes much harder to remember things. Chapter 6. The power of connection, social engagement for a healthier brain. Humans are social creatures. We thrive on connection, interaction, and belonging. And it turns out that socializing isn't just good for our emotional well-being, it's also incredibly beneficial for our brain health, especially when it comes to memory. Think about it. When you engage in meaningful conversations, listen attentively to others, and share stories and experiences, you're actively using your brain. You're recalling information, processing language, and making connections. It's like a mental workout for your social skills and your memory. Studies have shown that people who are socially active and engaged tend to have better cognitive function and a lower risk of cognitive decline as they age. So make it a point to nurture your relationships, spend time with loved ones, and engage in activities that involve social interaction. Chapter 7. Stay hydrated, the brain's best friend. All right, let's talk about something so simple yet so crucial for overall health and well-being, including brain health hydration. You've probably heard it a million times, but it's worth repeating. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Your brain is about 75% water, so it's no surprise that even mild dehydration can take a toll on cognitive function. When you're dehydrated, your brain cells shrink, which can affect communication between those cells and lead to brain fog, fatigue, and difficulty concentrating. Think of your brain like a sponge. When it's properly hydrated, it's plump and efficient, able to absorb and process information with ease. But when it's dehydrated, it's like a dried-up sponge, shrunken, stiff, and unable to function at its best. Outro, clear your mind. Your journey to a sharper you starts today. So there you have it, 7 natural science-backed tips to boost your memory and mental clarity. Now, you might be wondering, where do I start? Which one of these is the most important? Well, they're all important and they all work together synergistically. But if I had to pick just one thing to focus on for immediate results, it would be sleep. Remember, sleep is like hitting the reset button on your brain. It's when your brain consolidates memories, clears out toxins, and prepares for the day ahead. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night, and you'll be amazed at how much sharper and more focused you feel. The key takeaway here is that improving your memory and mental clarity doesn't require drastic changes or expensive supplements. It's about making small, sustainable changes to your lifestyle and incorporating these brain-boosting habits into your daily routine. So, start incorporating these tips today and watch your memory and mental clarity soar.